hope you're well. I'm getting my day started. It's a little before 6 o'clock. I'm heading to the gym. Just because I've been slacking. I've not been in a mood to like work out. I haven't been in the mood to do, I don't want to say much of anything, but like, I'm just trying to hold myself accountable, which is a little challenging at times. And I had stepped on a scale and I said, oh, no, no, no. I said no. The scale was kind of like a reality check of like how I've been feeling, because your girl's been eating, right? I've been living life, but I have not been hitting the gym like I need to. So I'm on my way to the gym. Today is going to be a 2-a-day. So this morning I'm just doing cardio. I'm going to do the stairs. I'll see how I feel, but I'm definitely doing a minimum of 30 minutes. The goal is to do anywhere from 45 to an hour. Realistically, I don't see me doing an hour, but anything over 30 minutes for me is like, you just crushed it. So we're going to the gym, and then I'll be back here this evening. And I'm not like stressing about me not being able to lose the weight, but last night I'm like, there was a number in my head. I'm like, oh my God, I have to lose X amount of pounds. And I'm like, nah, we're not doing that. What it really comes down to is just hold myself accountable. And it just starts by making one simple decision. Are you gonna go to the gym or not? Are you gonna eat like trash or not? And I'm not. So let's get our day started. I'm heading to the gym. I'm gonna enjoy a good workout, but I will see you guys when I get there. So I have my pre-workout and my creatine. And I also have my daily vitamins I'm about to take, run to the gym. I'm a little bit behind schedule, but it's okay. Today is my brother's birthday and I want to pull up on him, give him his card, give him his, you know, little balloons, wish him a happy birthday in person. Typically, I'll see him and my sister-in-law in the gym, but I don't know what their schedule is. I have their location and I haven't seen them leave home yet, so not sure where they're at. But let's take this and get our day started. I'm also gonna take some sea moss real quick. So we have two here. We have an elderberry one, and then we also have, which this one is actually a lot better. It's a mango pineapple. I'm gonna do this one just because we've been crushing this one because this one is much sweeter and tastes better. This one is, it's not like terrible, but it's also not the best. So it's an acquired taste, but you can take a look at it. It doesn't have a very pleasant odor, but it's good for your tummy. Can't get enough of this stuff. So good. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's get on up out of here because I'm procrastinating at this point. I am on my way to the gym, looking forward to a workout, a good workout, because I feel like I have not worked out in a minute. But yeah, I feel like today is gonna be an awesome day. Feeling really good and just ready to enjoy this beautiful weather. Right now, I think we're in a heat advisory. Try and stay cool out there if you're here in the Philly area or just in the heat, because today is the official first day of summer. I will catch up with y'all once I get to the gym. Bye. All right, y'all, so it is a little bit later. I am actually just pulling up to Top Golf. So like I said, it's my brother's birthday and I'm meeting him and my sister-in-law here. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna wish my brother a happy birthday. And then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna have a good time. So let's go. Horrible. Oh wow. That's a good one. Like I went. Yeah, maybe. Because I was not feeling good at all. And then I went and I got some food.